Let's start a new project. So I got another bow tie. We're gonna go ahead and stick one in here, just because we can, and I think it would be a good idea. I did take English, and it was not modern English. So normally I would leave things like this, but I kind of wanted a little bit more security than just a little rotten knot in the center, so I decided to go ahead and fill it with another piece of wood. And it turned out kind of unique. We're back after having slept. Glue should be dry. Now time to make the mistakes disappear. Let's get a sander.
That's almost funny.
Oh, I have a mask on. Sure, the dust settles. These are the remnants of the tree the squirrels ate this winter. I don't know why they decided that trees were edible, but evidently they are. And I figured they did the draw knife work for me, so I'm gonna just use these as my legs for this little sitting bench. For those of you who are wondering what I got myself into, I am too. I left my other one, the other circular saw, on a job site, so this is what I'm using. So I have this test piece chucked up in the vise, and I was going to go with a 1-inch hole, because I thought that would basically accommodate anything I chose. But come to find out, I can go with a slightly bigger hole. And if I do go with a slightly bigger hole, I can use this, which is a regular hole saw. But I think I can cut the tendon with it. So we're going to try, see if this works. If this works, I think this would be awesome if it worked. But it has to work for me to want to think it's awesome. I think that's pretty darn close to work. So that's all the further I can go for whatever reason, which is a little under 2 inches. So 1 7/8. We will have this hole in the center, but I'm perfectly fine with dealing with that on the top side of the bench. In fact, I think it'll be unique. But I need to know what diameter this is. I could cut the sides off of a bit just enough to make this easy. And our thing is loose. But how loose? Not horribly loose. Let's trim it up a little bit and see what it looks like. I don't think I can complain about that. Oh! Overkill, anybody? There it goes. No glue. I think that's good enough. We're done. We're done testing. Let's build it. It's 3 inches to right there, just to right there. Where's my hammering device? So now that the bottom is braced, basically where it's going to be, I'm going to mark where I want my little wedges to go, because I want fairly even spreading of the wedges. I don't want them going this way, because it will split this board and I'll have to put more dovetails in, or bow ties. But I don't want it going completely this way, because it won't fill out this gap here. So we're going to go 50-50. We're going to have little multiplication signs. Set the pieces in. Now it's time for a copious amount of glue. Okay, so update on the bench. It has turned brown. Kind of a burgundy brown type color. I'm not sure exactly what color it is. The whole project turned out really nicely, and I'm very happy that once I put a polyurethane coat over it, the wood turned black again, so it wasn't that brown shade that was questionable. The ebonizing didn't take well to the legs, so I ended up painting them with regular paint, but that's okay. They turned out with the live edge and everything, so I'm happy with it. It turned out well. Thanks for watching.